Look at these cute Ciroc Infused Candy Apples. They are so cute. I even made cute candy apple bows to match. I cannot wait to get into this tutorial to show you how to assemble your apples, dip, and make these cute candy apple bows. And of course, how to decorate. But before I do that, let me introduce myself. I'm the DIY Queen Diva. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and keep updated with me in all of my videos on the weekends and pop-up videos during the week. I am using the 411 candy apple recipe. That's 4 cups of sugar, 1 cup of corn syrup, and 1 cup of water. So you go ahead and stir your mixture. I am adding Wilton's white icing. This is a blue that I got from the Dollar Tree. So you just mix that, and I am going to go ahead and cook this candy apple mixture until it reaches 300 degrees. I did add my flavor towards the end because I had forgot. So if I don't add my flavor at the beginning, guess what? I always forget. So until the candy gets done, I'm turning these apples upside down, and I am going to screw on, well, first screw the cap off and then screw on the apple on top of the bottle. So just watch. I have my candy apple, or my Granny Smith apple, upside down, and I am just screwing this apple on. Sometimes it's a little hard. Make sure you turn your apple upside down. Wipe off any alcohol that may have came out by using a paper towel. I am going to do this again. Turn my apple upside down. Just screw on the apple. This one is a little tough, so I may have to give it a little bang. Okay, so I turn it upside down just to make sure this is on secure and no liquor is leaking out the apple. Okay, so until my candy gets done, let's work on these bows. I do have many candy apple bow tutorials, and I'll put the links to those tutorials down below. And I know I'm going a little fast, so if you want to look at the other bow tutorials that I even have one that's called the Easy Bow, how to make a candy apple bow very easy. So I do have plenty of candy apple bow tutorials so you can watch, but I thought this bow would be cute to go on the infused candy apples. So if you want to plan this for an adult party or a weekend party or Friday night, this is the thing to do. I think these are so cute if you drink. So I am just cutting my bow slant up and then slant down, and then you just burn your tips to make sure that your bow doesn't unravel. Okay, here's my bow. So let's go ahead and see, I'm adding my flavor right now because I had forgot. So my candy is 280 degrees. I'm going to put it back on the stove and then wait to 300 degrees and dip. Okay, so it's already at 300 degrees. I am dipping my apple And I am just scraping off any extra candy so I will have a perfect looking apple. This prevents any extra candy on the bottom of the apple. Okay, I am going to do it again, just rotating the apple in the candy mixture, and then I bring it up and I scrape off any extra candy off the side of the pot. Okay, we're done. So now it's time to decorate these beauties by putting the bow, attaching the bow on the Ciroc bottle. And I am just using hot glue. You just put a dab of glue on the back of the bows and you attach it to the Ciroc bottle. These are so cute. And you just fluff out your bows. And that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with me on the weekends and my pop-up videos during the week. Bye-bye.